Okay, so I was just dealing with this the other day with Andre, right? Andre had hurt his bicep on his his one side. I believe it's his right side, and he had some atrophy. And you noticed in the videos that's on the Evogen channel, what I did was I'm constantly tapping his right pec, his right chest. His right pec, his right shoulder, his right bicep when we're working. And then what I'm just to get that better mind muscle connection. I've been doing this for many, many years. People used to make fun of me 25 years when I did it, do leg extensions on tap it. Now you start seeing all the trainers start to tap. Everyone's doing it now, right? I would tap the upper chest while we're doing it, incline, or whether we're doing throat cutters. The thing that that's going to help. The other thing is going to be more time under tension under that particular side that's weaker. So you'll also notice that what I'll do is extra sets or reps doing hammer presses, right? We're doing hammer strength incline presses. Then I'll get him to do extra reps, towards the end of the set. And then we'll do sometimes extra sets with just the weak side as well. So those are the different techniques we're using to be able to get that to really fire. So more reps, more sets on the weaker side, tap technique. And then also making sure that you're doing different types of exercises that are going to be very, very specific for possible muscle imbalances. So if it's a rotator situation, you need to strengthen the rotator cuff. Make sure you're warming up those rotator cuffs. Make sure you're doing the exercises for your rotator cuffs that are going to help be able to let you go heavier without being able to get hurt.